Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about another common use of the power edger. What we have here is the Honda Power Trim. Is what we usually use here at HAM Landscape. Now, unlike the previous video where we edged the sidewalk, this one is just a tad more complicated and requires a little bit more control. First of all, before you get started, you want to make sure that you have on the proper personal protective equipment. Safety glasses, ear protection, good pair of gloves, a good pair of boots. And as always, you want to check the oil on the machine before you start it. I did it off camera already to spare you that. And remember, it's the most important thing you want to do before you start this machine. You don't want to pay for it. Once again, it operates by this handle with it in a neutral position so that the blade is not engaged prematurely. Once you have this thing started, you adjust your depth. We like to keep beds around 3 inches deep, so you find it accordingly and there you can move. Now when you're using this, unlike before where you simply walked behind the machine, this time you're going to have to actually guide it around the edge of the bed, keeping the blade touching the inside of the grass layer. Sometimes it may be necessary to lift it onto its front 2 wheels. Okay, once again, toggle the on-off switch to the on position, choke on. The more you use it, the less you'll have to use the choke. Make sure the throttle is all the way down. Pull the cord. Let it run for a second. Take the choke off. Power up. Notice how slowly I moved in order to avoid moving the blade into the actual grass. Now on a bed that has been previously deep edged, doing this will keep the edge very sharp and maintained. But on a bed that in the beginning of the year needs a touch-up deep edge or a brand new deep edge, simply take a spade and follow along the line that you edged, popping it out as so. And be careful when you are finished to remove all the clumps. And that is how you use a power edger.